So after he now lost the election, he started blaming that people from Ife didn't vote for him as such. Okay. I said, look, we wouldn't go about what he projected. And he projected 400 and some thousand votes. You had almost 40,000 votes too. So the mistake was made originally by him. So that is why I said he's not qualified to be post a candidate or not again. And I told Mr. President, look, this is the issue. And if you want to talk about zoning, if you want to zone to a particular zone, all of us will look at that zone, we look for where we can get votes. Because elections about voting is about voting, not friendship or anything about it. So look, let us go this way. We all sit down, we all agree that this is where we're going. But somebody appropriating the rule of Osun State to himself as an emperor becomes a problem.
So since that post-mortem of the election, that relationship has been fractured between yourself and former Governor Oyetola?
No, not really, because when Adeleke come to APC, he was always calling me that this is a problem that we have to resist. And I went to Channel to resist that thing, knowing that he has his own plan to upscale me. I don't mind some of those things in politics.
I mean, well, what you just said, Senator, you made a lot of sacrifices for the emergence of former Governor Gboyega Oyetola. Would you still make the same sacrifices for the party?
I mean, party man, but like I said,